Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the dual time zone or the GMT function on your vintage Seiko triple calendar Moonphase watch. As you can see, we have the Moonphase complication here at 12 o'clock. We have the date complication at 3 and 6 o'clock. And here we have a sub dial that can be used in two ways. The first one is to use the 24-hour display, so military time, if you synchronize it with this main dial. So as you can see, it is now almost 4 o'clock. So what I would need to do is to pull the crown to the last position on the left side, and I'm going to go clockwise until I reach 4. So as you can see, if I were to push the crown inwards at exactly 4 o'clock, I'm going to synchronize these two. And that way it will be very easy to know that it is 4 a.m. so 4 in the morning. If I have to make it 4 in the afternoon, I'm going to go at 16 instead of 4, and then I'm going to push the crown all the way back in. So that is how you would use the military time. If you want to use the GMT function, as you can see, it is now, let's say, 4 a.m. and I want to have a dual time zone, so a GMT function where the time would actually be midnight. So I can actually set the time of this second subdial at 24. And now if I push the crown all the way back in, these two are going to synchronize. So I'm going to synchronize it at exactly 4 o'clock with 24. So now I know, for example, that it is 4 a.m. right here and it is midnight in my second location. So this is how you could actually use this subdial both as a GMT or a 24-hour display, so military time. I'm going to also make a full guide on all the functions and features of this particular Seiko model, a very beautiful 1980s piece with the date complication, also the Moonphase, and a very interesting piece with 2 crowns and 1 push button right here at 2 o'clock. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps a lot, especially if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews. Leave a comment, let me know what kind of vintage Seiko model you have, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.